scheduling is a lot to say. Hey there, thanks for stopping by and welcome to my channel. I'm Kajulaine Nush Williams, but you can call me Nushi for short because I know the Kajulaine is a lot to say for myself sometimes. So I'm originally from Liberia, West Africa. I am a mother of two, a 14-year-old boy and a 3 to 4-year-old girl. I am a self-made chef and also a foodie. So being a foodie and a self-made chef, on this channel we're going to be doing a lot of cooking videos, sharing with you a lot of amazing recipes, not only African food but varieties of dishes that you can learn and make something yummy and make good memories with your family and friends. I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of lifestyle videos, house cleaning. I am so much in love with that as well. And some beauty videos because living in South Korea, you know, is all about the kid beauty. So don't forget to like this video, comment if you're interested in seeing more of my videos. You can also share with your other besties and let's make a big team of besties. Once again, thanks for clicking on my channel. Thanks for watching to this end and see you later. Bye.